Shadetree surgeon left on my bike, and he's not back. Every year or so, Forgotten Angels Foundation puts on a campout at their property. The other day I was watching a Shadetree surgeon video, and he was talking about the campout and how it's going to be in Florida, and it got me thinking, what better person to judge the bike after it's finished than Shadetree surgeon himself? I mean, come on, he is the swamp wizard. So that is exactly what we are going to do. We are going to get Shadetree surgeon to ride this bike. For the last year, we've been building up White Lightning, a beautiful Yamaha Bolt, fully custom built, everything that you can imagine to do to a Bolt. Well, not everything. But it's pretty insane to see how far this bike has come. But to ensure that he would even be interested in riding it, we had a lot of bike prep to do. We started with the rotors.
That looks awesome.
Then we moved on to the piece de resistance, the tank. Huge shout out to Rodney for donating the tank for this build. I cannot thank you enough, dude. His Instagram is Rodster513. Got it all taped off. $2K clear coat. The tank has had a few hours to dry. I'm putting on gloves just in case because it might still be a little bit sticky. Would have liked a little bit more time to let this dry. Oh my gosh. It is not dry. It is not dry at all. It just stuck to my pants. That messed up the whole front of the paint job. But I only had 4 hours until I had to meet the guys in the morning, and so I had no time to worry about the tank. We threw it on the bike in the hopes that Shadetree would not notice. On my ride there with Alex and Josh, the only thing that was on my mind was getting Shadetree surgeon on my bike. But upon arrival, I got a little bit distracted.
Now the question is are you gonna cut them off or are you just gonna wear them?
Dude, this is insane. This is awesome.
Do something cool. This is Whiskey Chaser's bike. He rode all the way from New York on this bike. That is insane.
How's it going? My name is Whiskey Chaser, and this is Chase Channel. I'm sorry, I took a breath.
This thing is louder than your gold.
Alright, so Aaron just stole my scooter. Hey, Ron. As day one wrapped up, Alex, Kyle, and Mike tucked me into my hammock and said goodnight, but I couldn't help but feel an overwhelming feeling of just disappointment. I had let myself down, I had let you guys down, and I only had 2 hours the next day to complete my goal. Despite only sleeping 4 hours that night, I woke up optimistic for the day. And I'm not sure if it was the breakfast burrito that Kyle brought me. Thank you, Kyle. Or Mike's coffee. Can they buy this online? Yeah. To buy this online. But I knew that day was going to be the day we accomplished our goal. Like 50% of these gremlins came here at night and I couldn't really see them. But now I've got a better look at them and I gotta get out of here. Biker Bay Beth. Then, like the true swamp wizard he is, Shadetree appeared out of absolutely nowhere.
I can't believe it.
Are you kidding me? We freaking did it, guys! We got Shadetree surgeon to ride our bike! Left on my bike, and he's not back, so... He's on the... oh. Well, it's gone. I heard that. How you feel about it?
I feel about it like this.
Oh god, that was...
Yeah. Finally, after days of prep, riding hundreds of miles, and sleeping under Kyle for 4 hours, we did it. We accomplished our goal of getting Shadetree surgeon to ride our build. About to leave. Thank you so much to these beautiful people for just ruining my night. Goodbye, everyone. You've all been at least pleasant.
Step me out.
please go check out Forgotten Angels. Make sure you donate to them. They put all this on and I could not thank them enough. Go subscribe to Shadetree Surgeon and all the other YouTubers that you saw in this video. I'll leave them down in the description. I'm Aaron, this is Tardy Productions, and in the words of Shadetree Surgeon, keep it weird, and I'll see you guys next week.